आज ही डाउटनट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Question is, write the underlying principle of a moving coil galvanometer. So, the principle on which the moving coil galvanometer, that is MCG, works is when a current carrying coil, let's say, coil is placed in a magnetic field, let's say, field, it experiences a torque. So this is the basic principle of MCG. We can, let's say, explain this by this diagram here. Suppose this is our soft iron core placed between two bar magnets, one is north pole, one is south pole, such that the magnetic field from this bar magnet, let's say, enters into this, let's say, let's say, soft iron core radially, and we can say here this is south pole. Now south pole magnetic field lines will be, let's say, directed towards the south pole. Now here there is, let's say, scale. This is our scale of the galvanometer. So this is our scale of the galvanometer. On this scale there are markings from 0 to 10. Let's say this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, 5 and 6 and so on up to 10. Now this, let's say, there is a current carrying here coil wrapped around this soft iron core to increase its magnetic permeability. Now here there is a, let's say, spring coil. Now we can say when this is attached with a pointer, now as soon as current flows, this pointer moves under the influence of magnetic torque, which, let's say, under equilibrium is balanced by the spring force torque. So the basic principle is simply when this current carrying wire is placed in a magnetic field, then at equilibrium position, so at equilibrium position we can say that the net torque will be 0, that is magnetic torque will be balanced by the spring force torque, that is tau sp. That is, we can say magnetic torque will be given as C into phi and the spring force torque will be given as our, let's say, spring force torque as C phi and magnetic torque given as MB sin 90, that is NIAB. Therefore we can say, let's say, phi is equal to NAB divided by C into I. That is, here we can say deflection is proportional to current. So this is the basic principle. On, let's say, increasing the value of current, the deflection increases. So this is the basic principle of working of, we can say, MCG. When this moving coil galvanometer, which carries a current carrying coil, is placed in a magnetic field, it experiences a torque, and at equilibrium position we can say magnetic torque is equal to the spring force torque. Hence this is our answer.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।